Welcome to Learners Math TV. In this video, you are going to understand how the formula to find the area of a trapezoid has been derived and apply the formula to calculate the area of a trapezoid. Dapat muna nating maintindihan kung papaano tayo nag-come up sa isang formula kung papaano makuha ang area ng trapezoid. Ito ang ating base 1. Mag-construct tayo ng isang line segment which is perpendicular from our base 1 papunta doon sa isang vertex ng trapezoid. At yan ang magsisilbing height which is represented by letter H. At ando naman ang ating base 2. Maglagay tayo ngayon ng midpoint. At i-connect natin yung midpoint na yan sa pamamagitan ng isang line segment papunta doon sa ating vertex. Mapapansin ninyo ngayon na etong region na to ay isang triangle. Yan. Ano ang mangyayari kung ikakat natin yan? Pagmasdan yung mabuti. Ayan. Tapos, ilagay natin dito bilang karugtong. So, yung base 2 natin ngayon, nandito na siya. Ayan. At, obviously, kitang-kita natin na nakabuo na tayo ngayon ng isang triangle. Pagkatapos, alam naman natin na ang area ng triangle ay equal sa 1/2 times the base times the height. So ngayon, yung ating base, ayan, magkarugtong yung base 1 at saka base 2 mula sa ating trapezoid nung kinat natin kanina. Kaya ngayon, maaari na tayong makakuha ng formula from the formula of the area of triangle. Ngayon, ang area ngayon ng trapezoid ay equal sa 1/2 times the quantity base 1 plus base 2 times the height. By that, nakita natin ang visual proof kung paano tayo nag-come up sa formula on how to find the area of a trapezoid. Now, let us apply the formula. Find the area of the trapezoid if it has the bases of 13 cm and 7 cm long. So, meron tayong base na 13 cm at yung isang base natin ay 7 cm. And then, if we continue reading the problem, ang sabi, and the altitude of 10 cm long. Take note that altitude is another term for height. So it means to say our height or altitude is equal to 10 cm. Now, by those given measurement, maaari na nating i-apply yung formula. This is now our solution. Area is equal to 1/2 times the quantity base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So, ang area natin ay equal sa 1/2, then yung sum ng ating bases, ayan, yung 7 plus 13, 7 at saka 13, lagay natin dito. Then our height is 10, ayan. So, 7 plus 13 is equal to 20, kaya dito ay magiging 20 na siya. And then, next is, di ba, 10 times 20 or 20 times 10 is equal to 200, and then the area is now equal to 1/2 times 200. And 1/2 times 200 is equal to 100. So therefore, our area is 100 square centimeter or 100 centimeter squared. So, ito ngayon ang ating pinaka final answer. That is the area of this trapezoid. Okay. Dito sa problem na ito, magkakaroon ng konting twist. Basahin nating mabuti. If one of the bases of a trapezoid is equal to 8 centimeter, its height is 12 centimeter, and its area is 108 square centimeter, find the length of the other base. So, lagay tayo ng illustration. Kung ang ating height ay 12 centimeter, and tapos yung isang base natin ay 8 centimeter, and then according to the problem, meron tayong unknown base. Yun nga yung ating problem. Ayan, find the length of the other base. So, ito yung ating base 1. Then, given din ang area, which is 108 square centimeter, we can now start for our solution. So, using again the formula, lahat ng mga given measurement na to ay ilagay natin sa ating formula. Since our area is 108 square centimeter, so lagay natin dito. Then 1/2, base 1 is unknown. Then 8 is given, 8 centimeter, our base 2. And also the height is given. So 12. Lagay natin dito. Now, let us divide 12 by 2. Ayan. So, makancel na yan, kaya ang matitira dyan ay 6. Diba? 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Then, may 1 tayo dito. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. So, therefore, ang mangyari dyan ay ganito. Ayan. So, let us apply now the distributive property of multiplication. Multiply natin. 6 times b sub 1 is 6b sub 1. And 6 times 8 is equal to 48. Now, itong 48, nilipat natin dito, it becomes negative. From a positive, naging negative. So, 108 minus 48 is equal to 60. And then, we have to divide both sides by 6. Since 6 is the numerical coefficient of b sub 1, to isolate b sub 1, let us divide both sides by 6. So, if we divide both sides by 6, our b sub 1 is equal to 10 centimeter. Ayan. So, nakuha natin ngayon yung ating dapat makuha, yung base 1, which is our problem. Ayan. Lagi lang natin tatandaan. Sa math ay maaari kang maging mahusay kung lagi kang handa na mag-practice o magsanay.